When it comes to weight loss, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods that keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing essential vitamins and minerals. Here are some of the best foods for weight loss. Vegetables. Low in calories and high in fiber, vegetables are excellent for weight loss. Leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers are great choices. Fruits. Opt for fruits that are lower in sugar but still satisfying, such as berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Whole grains. Whole grains are a better option than refined grains as they contain more fiber and nutrients. Quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat products are good choices. Nuts and seeds. These are high in healthy fats and protein, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack in moderation. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are good examples. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and other essential nutrients. They can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. It's also essential to engage in regular physical activity to complement a healthy diet. Before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the link below to some of our favorite weight loss recommendations.